man. Good morning, Cos members, Cos Nation, whatever you're saying. We ain't playing. Man, today, man, it is my older sister's. Gender reveal today, so we got that in store today. You know, we got some other light stuff coming on later in the day, man. So I need y'all to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Drop in the comments what you think the gender is gonna be, boy or girl. Pink heart for the girl, blue heart for the boy, or the yellow heart. You feel me? Because there's gonna be a new Cos member to the channel, to the building, whatever. So basically, for the reveal, we finna have our cars lined up, parked up. We finna go ahead and put the exhaust powder in that bit, and then we just gonna rev. We going, you feel me? So just drop in the comments and I'm gonna catch y'all boy when we get there. So vlog, man, I'm currently on the way to the spot to get to the baby shower. I gotta bring these little balloons. You know my camera ain't gonna be focused, but I gotta bring these balloons to there. And my boy is already there, so you feel me? I gotta hurry up and get there. I might have to run to the store and get a few things, but you hear me? It's going down. Let y'all get a little POV real quick. Let me know in the comments if y'all want some more more POV, driving POVs, man. I can go ahead and give y'all those. Roll up the window just a little bit, things flying around. Driving with one knee, a real professional, you hear me? Let me know if y'all niggas want more POVs though. But somebody in the comments tell me why the camera is like OD zoomed out. I've been trying to figure that out for a minute too, like how to zoom in type shit, cause this shit OD like zoomed out. Y'all can barely see a nigga, feel me? And with a beautiful face like this, y'all gotta see a nigga. Nah, for real. But my boy Caden, he said he already there, and then my other boy, he already there too. So shit, you know, we finna get wicked. But I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all boys when we get there, no cap. Bro, pull up, you straight, fool. Bro, I'm wearing beater forces, pull up. You ain't pulling up. Alright, be on the way.
I'm working.
Who?
You know that. You know that.
Hell nah.
Big boat in this bitch. Keep all my trusted bad hoes in the back. Wanna get more bitches, wanna hold racks. I'm not the same as these niggas, that's facts. Been on my bullshit, I run with the pack. Got a beautiful bitch, she's skinny as hell.
What do you think it's gonna be, boy or girl, boy or girl? What do you think it's gonna be, boy or girl, boy or girl? What do you think it's gonna be, boy or girl?
Boy, team boy.
Wait. Oh, Z know already, huh?
I'm talking to my niece. I'm trying to tell you it's a girl, bro.
Boy or girl? Wait, y'all know what the gender is? No. What y'all think?
I'm team girl.
Okay. You hear me? What you think?
Team boy.
Bet. What you think?
Team boy.
Okay then, man. We'll wait for everybody to go ahead and roll up in here and get this thing started off the right way. We gotta get this thing lit. Oh. Block party. Block party. It's her block party. It's her block party. It's her
Drinking that dude, see? He pull up his shoes.
Yeah. Yo.
My nigga Steve, he gon' eat your ass up.
What? What did he say?
Oh yeah, you don't know 16 niggas there?
On decor in the den. Parked the Maybach on the block in the West End. Been a long time since I slept at the Western. Check my complexion, I'm black as the street. I don't get checked walking.
We're outside today, man. I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all boys when we get to the part of the reveal. You hear me?
I'm twin.
Wait.
Hold on.
Where you want me to stand? Right here?
Wait. Oh, what are you doing? I'm good. You good? Everybody good? Good. All right. Wait. When you guys do, are we going to see it above us or we need to turn around? Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. All right. And then you'll hear everybody scream and then open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, turn around. All right. Wait.
I see that thing. What?
right.
So YouTube, man, I am here with the new addition to the family. If you guess right, drop it down in the comments. I might send you $5, or I might be lying. You feel me? But this the new addition. We got a namer. I need somebody to drop a name. Hey, get down, little badass. Back up from my camera, babe. All right, sit down before you start pissing everywhere. You gotta go home. So look, hey, let me know what y'all boys think, man. This is gonna be a wicked adventure, man. So I'm about to go home right now, introduce you to my other dogs. I'm gonna show you how that reaction go, and I'm gonna also show y'all boys mother's reaction. You feel me? I think she's gonna be pissed. My little sister wanna go ahead and do it, so we did it. Fuck it, you feel me? You only live once, so catch y'all boys when I get to the crib. You know, we just got back to the crib right now. We got the dog at the crib. Here's my little sister, and we're about to go outside right now and surprise my mom. We finna see what she tell me. I know she's gonna be pissed, so I'm just like, Kaya is crazy for this one. She's on Trump, because I know Dukes is finna be tripping. Kaya, how do you feel about the dog? How do you feel about the dog? How do you feel about the dog? Huh? How do you feel about the dog? Huh? How do you feel about the dog?
Hey man, it's my little kid right here. It's my prodigy, bro.
Rate her 1 through 10. Off the
She a
looks.
10. She cute. Look at her.
We got those right here. Put her down. She was peeing in the room.
She peed in my.
I wiped it up. She was scared. Joy.
That's why I told you to bring her upstairs.
Come on, let's go. How are we gonna do this? Shh, be quiet. How are we gonna do this, bro? How are we gonna do this? You told me to go outside and start vlogging first? Let me go outside first. Let me go outside first. Mom. Where you been at? I had her teeth appointment.
Her what?
What appointment? Oh,
Fetus appointment or 6 weeks follow-up from the surgery?
Oh, I'm hungry.
Fine. We just got she just got a great sandwich from Sprouts.
Kyle, you got a Sprout sandwich?
Whose little puppy dog is that? Who the? Oh, nah, bitch. Hey, why are you here? Why are you here? What is it?
Because nobody's leaving. So I know Joy. She probably wasn't.
You not? No, we don't just make decisions on our own.
But
Like,
I just had to because my friend was like, "Please buy a dog out of me." So I was like, "All right, cool."
that's why you
So
sent
that's why I sent 250. Well, I sent 3.
Are y'all stupid?
But
Mom,
I had to.
you're
like,
the girl. What should we
You
name her?
can't stay.
Should we, should we name her Cherish Jr.?
Ew. Name her Terry's. Terry's. What does she look like? She looks like a.
She looked like she need to go back where the hell she came from. That's what she looked like. You know?
So what's your reaction? What you rate the dog?
This damn dog back where it came
But
from.
you see how she feels though? Doesn't she feel like?
Ew, she all dirty.
What you rate the dog 1 through
I know,
10?
I'm about-
What you rate her 1 through 10, Mom?
I don't know, but she gotta go back. She can have a sleepover for a night.
Nobody better go. How'd you know I sent $250? You seen it?
He was like, why are you got that on here?
How'd you know
I'm recording for my YouTube.
Come on with the cigarettes, smoke. Dang.
How'd you know I sent that?
What?
How'd you know I sent that?
Because you said you asked him on the phone about.
So y'all see the reaction,
250.
man. She's telling us.
I did.
Send the dog back,
I
man.
said that.
Comment below what should we do, bro.
Ooh.
Barbecue. Hey, YouTube, man, so we at the car meet right now. This bitch is packed. Oh, what? This hoe is packed, fool. You ain't used to like the car meets, did you?
I never said that. Just the ones I've been through.
These shits is piped. Them boys is outside today. Jerry OC. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. Alright, hold on, watch out. Twin. Oh, what?
Yeah, we got that, by the way.
Feel me.
We're trying to put a 5.
Boy, say what's up to the vlog, feel me.
Yeah, you know what the fuck we are, man. Big Northside shit. Yeah, this how the fuck we coming.
Nah, for real. Man, we outside, man. Hell yeah.
Hey, bro, what's your YouTube, bro?
No, they just crashed vlog.
Welcome back, though.
I think we
Y'all move so I can park and just doing what I was doing.
I'm over here watching like a goddamn movie.
Fuck. We're twinning.